These three components are all connected together, so the screws are shared. First, align the holes of the side rods of the luggage rack with the first bracket of the expansion rack, and then install the main rod of the expansion rack. Both are fixed with those two screws. The installation method for the rear part is the same, and the same applies to the other side. Before installation, all screws should only be temporarily secured and not fully tightened. Preliminary effect. After removing the three screws from the inner side of the bottom of the first and third brackets, align the holes to install. All screws should be only slightly fixed and not fully tightened. This small side panel needs to align with 8 holes. If there is still some positional error, a rubber mallet or screwdriver can be used to align it. After fixing, tighten the nuts. The same applies to the remaining 3 side panels. Install the upper side panel, and all screws should only be temporarily secured, not fully tightened. Align the rods numbered 1-6 with the hole positions, place them according to the specified positions, and then install them. All screws should be only slightly secured and not fully tightened. Pay attention to distinguish between the front and rear brackets. The front bracket has a smaller notch. The rear bracket has a larger notch. Both the notches of the front and rear brackets face backward, and the short side of the middle bracket also faces backward. Front bracket. Middle bracket. Rear bracket. After the installation operation is completed, fully tighten all screws.